Good morning, guys. It's 1:01 a.m. in the morning in Dhaka, and today we'll start 12.7. Before getting started, 12.7, I would like to introduce a formula for you guys. When there are two variables in an equation, let's say x and y, and these both are variable. Okay, with respect t. T is third variable here. Okay, so there is a chain rule. ddt of y is equal, see here, y is a variable against t. Also here x is a variable against t. Okay, so if I want to make this right hand side like left hand side, what I have to take? ddx of y. Then we can think this part will be eliminated here, right? So before solving 12.7, we have to figure out three things: the change of y against t, 1, the change of x against t, 2, the change of y against x. These three things. And if we combine it together for one more time, ddy of t is equal to ddx of y times ddt of x. So this is the formula for connected. Both variable are vary with respect to t. I hope you guys know the formula. So let's start the maths. So the number one question: variable x and y are connected by equation y is equal to x square minus 5x. First thing first, differentiate this value. 2x minus 5. You'll have perfect value for this one. So at a point x is equal to 4. So ddx of y should be 8 minus 5, so which is 3. I got first thing here. Then I need two more things here: dx dt or ddt of x. X changes with respect to t. The value is here, this one, 0.05. Now what they asked us to calculate: find the rate of change of y. Guys, in your lifetime, the rate means divide by time. So this is a bakwas, skip it. ddt of y is equal dx of y times dt of x. So we'll have value 3 times 0.05, 0.15, I guess. Yeah, per unit second or unit per second, exactly the same thing. So we got our first result. Now the second math. First thing first, the equation y is equal to x plus square root of x minus 5. So ddx of y would be 1 plus 1 by 2 root over x minus 5 here times 1, which is technically 1 plus 1 divided by 2 root over x minus 5. Now add x equal to 9 here. One plus 1 by 2, 9 minus 5 is 4, 2. So 1 plus 1 by 4. So it should be 5 by 4. We got d dx of y is equal 5 by 4. One more thing, d dt of x, which is given as the x increases at a rate of 0.1. Then d dt of y is equal d dx of y times d dt of x. So 5 by 4 times 0.1. So it would be 5 by 4 times 1 by 10, 5 by 40, so 1 by 8. I guess 1 by 8 is 0.125. So 1 by 8, it should be answer. Let me check a bit. Yeah, the answer is correct. So this is the answer. Number 2 done. Number 3. Okay, the equation is given as x minus 3 x plus 5 to the power cube. So d dx of y is basically x plus 5 to the power cube times 1 plus x minus 3 times 3x plus 5 to the power square times 1. Okay, so x plus 5 to the power cube plus 3 times x minus 3 times x plus 5 to the power 2 at x is equal to minus 9. Oh my god. Number 3, x is equal to minus 4 here. So minus 4 plus 5, 1 to the power cube is technically 1 plus 3 minus 7 times 1 square, 1 minus 21 minus 20. Let me check the calculation. First one, 1 cube is 1. Okay, minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 minus 4 plus 5, that is 1 square. Okay, yeah, I guess it is correct. Now the change of x according to t, 0.2. Then change of y according to t is the change of y according to x time the change of x according to t, minus 20 times 0.2, 40, right? So minus 4.0. Yeah, minus 4 unit per second. Three done. Number 4, these maths are pretty easy. The equation has been given as 5 over 2x minus 1. I'm excited for integration, guys. d dx of y is technically 2x minus 1 is square 2x minus 1 times 0 minus 5 times 2 minus 10 over 2x minus 1 to the power square. At a particular point, number 4, x equal to minus 2. The change of y according to x is minus 10 over minus 2, I mean minus 4 minus 5 minus 5 square is 25 minus 2 by 5, which is minus 0.4. So ddx of y is minus 0.4, ddt of y is equal times ddt of x. I'm sorry, I didn't read the question. So this one is given as 0.1. We have to figure out this one. Just put the equation here. So reading question is very important. Point 1 minus 0.4, so minus 1 by 4 minus 0.25 answer. I was super duper confident that every question would be the same one. Gazor impacted so badly. 0.5 units per second. Yeah, that is correct. Now question 6. The variable section y connected by the equation given that the x increases at rate. Okay, first thing first, dx dt 0.02. We have to find out the rate of change of y. dy dt would be required. Rate of what? At x, the rate of change of y at y is equal to 1. At y equal to 1. No problem. So the equation is given as y is equal to 2x minus 5 x minus 1. Y equal to 1, right? Okay. First thing first, make it as differentiate. X minus 1 square YouTube. Live becomes damaged. 2x minus 2 minus 2x plus 5, so 3 over x minus 1 square. Now we are given at y equal to 1. If I input y value is equal to 1 in the first equation, we will get 2x minus 5 x minus 1. So 2x minus 5 is equal to x minus 1, so x is equal to 4. So 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 square, which is 1 by 3. So if it is 1 by 3, so dt dx dt, the rate of change of y. Okay, so this is it, this one, and the rate of x increases 0.02. 0.02 divided by 3. 1 by 150. Okay, let's see. 2, 300, so 1 by 150. Yeah, the answer is correct. So guys, this is a free version. Please excuse me for this bakwas. If you need one-to-one session, you can knock me, or you are satisfied with this free version, go with this flow, no problem. 1 by y is equal to 2 by x. 8x is a LCM here. X minus 16, right? So y is equal to 8 of x, x minus 16. So differentiation is x minus 16 square, x minus 16 times 8 minus 8x x. Only 1 here. Take this as a 1. So ddx of y would be 8 of x minus 80 and 48, 128, I guess, minus 8 of x over x minus 16 to the power square. Is it 116 times? Okay, 10 times 8 is 80, 6 times 8 is 48, so 128. Yeah, so minus 128 x minus 16 to the power square at x equal to 8. Minus 128 x, this is 8. Okay, minus 128, 8 square is 64, so minus 2. Question the rate of change of y. So this one times this one, so this is minus 2 times x increases at rate 0.01. 2 ones are 2, I mean 0.02 minus